Welcome back to our 100 Days of Java course. Today is a super important milestone. We are starting Object Oriented Programming, or OOP for short. If variables and methods are like building blocks, OOP is the blueprint behind the Ant-Man suit. It tells us how things should be made and how they should behave. So, what's a class? A class is like a blueprint. Imagine a car blueprint. It defines what every car should have, like brand, model, price. But the blueprint itself is not a car. And what's an object? An object is the actual car built from the blueprint. Example, class car string brand string model in price void drive system.out.println brand model is driving public class car demo public static void main string args car1 equal to new car1 dot brand equal to Tesla dot model equal to model 3 dot price equal to 40 grand car2 equal to new car2 dot brand equal to Toyota dot model equal to Corolla dot price equal to 25 grand system.out.println car1 dot brand dot model dot price system.out.println car2 dot brand model price, and we'll call the methods call1 dot drive call2 dot drive. So the output will be car1 is Tesla model 3 40 grand, car2 is Toyota Corolla 25 grand. Tesla model 3 is driving, Toyota Corolla is driving. How to think OOP? Class is the blueprint. Object is the real world thing created from the blueprint. And the variables inside class are properties like brand, model, price. And the methods inside the class are behaviors like drive, brake, honk. So this is the foundation, and everything in OOP builds on this.